Guys, Happy New Year. I hope you had a great year and hope you're having a great break. And let's hop right into it. So, today we're going to look at something different. Basically, so it says 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Therefore, 11 minus blank is equal to 5. This, okay, so since this is addition, basically you could switch out a number. For example, if we do 5 plus 6, that equals to 11, and 6 plus 5 also equals to 11. However, you cannot do the subtraction. That is because of something called commutative property. And basically, this explains number plus number is equal to a sum. But a sum minus the numbers in a addition equation, for example 5, is always going to equal the other number that makes a sum. And this is the same thing for if you swap the numbers like that. So if 11 minus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11, so basically let me use a different color. So let's say, okay, so the sum is orange. So sum minus part of an equation is going to equals that. Do you notice how 11 is same as this number is same as this number, and the green one is same as the green one? So it says 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Basically, the same rule. Sum minus one number part of the addition equation, since 5 is also in the additional equation, therefore it's going to be the second number that completes the whole equation. So you could just say 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, and to be sure we're correct, we could do 6 plus 5, which equals 11. If that doesn't make sense, I'll try explaining again in number 7. So 2 plus 7 is 9, and 7 plus 2 is 9. This is a lot easier actually, because this explains that this is a commutative property, that if you swap these two around, it'll still lead to the same answer. And there, okay, since 9 is a sum, and 9 is a sum, and there's 9 here, and there's 2, which is part of the additional equation, which is also in here. Therefore, the answer is 7. And you can check this by 7 plus 2, which is 7, 8, 9. So, therefore, that's correct. Okay. We're going to start with addition first. I'm going to only give one example today because I believe you guys already understand this. So yeah. For this one, 30 plus 200 equals blank. Since we know addition's commutative property, I could just switch the numbers around, put the bigger number on top and the smaller number on the bottom. This makes it easier for me to add. It just makes it easier to visualize. So 0 plus 0, that's 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 2 plus blank, which is basically 0, is 2. Therefore, the answer is 230. You cannot do this for subtraction. You cannot put the bigger number on top when solving a subtraction problem. And same thing for dividing. All right, let's look at multiplication. Again, this is basically asking, what is 5 added 8 times? So, basically, what is 5 plus 5 plus 5? Oh, plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah, my 5s are very weird today. I'm very sorry. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And that's basically 5 times 2. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I forgot to add another 5. Okay. So there we go. 10 times 2, aka basically 10 plus 10 is not 100, 20. And this is 20. And 20 plus 20 is 40. Therefore, the answer is 40. Okay, we're going to do one more, the word problem. And always underline important information. So, Mark has 10 buttons. He buys 6 more from the store, but then loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? So, we know that he started off with 10, and he buys 6 more from the store. More usually means addition. Since you're getting more, there's going to be more, basically. So this is going to be 10 plus 6 so far, but then he loses 3. Since losing, basically, those stuff are disappearing or getting away, or you're just losing it. That's going to be subtraction. So this is going to be 10 plus 6 minus 3. And 10 plus 6, 16. Whoa, that is not a 6. And then minus 3. And 16 minus 3. Okay, 16 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is he has 13 buttons. And always write down important. Always write down your units. And that's it. I hope this was simple. I hope it was understandable. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.